Friends. A friend from Changsha, Hunan province, sent me a photo, saying that an old Mercedes-Benz asked me about the bones in my hands. I looked at the photo, and this Mercedes-Benz is okay.
But the car behind this Mercedes-Benz is a car from the 3rd or 40th generation. We went out to Changsha in the south of the lake to see if we could pull the car behind us back.
Friends, I'm in Changsha. The car is in the underground garage at the back. Let's see what kind of car it is. Let's go. Friends, the owner said the lights in this basement will turn on for a while and not for a while, so I prepared a flashlight in advance to make it easier to see your car. It's so cool here. The temperature difference is now around 40 degrees outside, but the garage under these basements is shady and shady, and the feeling has entered the Huangling. Have we come to see it? This is a Mercedes-Benz, a first-class Mercedes-Benz of the 8th generation. After the chassis came, 6123, it was commonplace. We don't want this. We don't want this.
It is this car. Let's take a look. 60 generation American car. This brand is gone. Friends, it was Packard.
Oh my God. This car is too low-handed. And the Kia is still there. For traders, if you want to take a step, this should not be the case. The tape recorder must not be missing a cover. Your face? Your face?
The cars of the 3 or 4 decades can be preserved to the present.
I really like this car. And then you see, when we came, we set a price. And now this price is too high.
Friends, it's a little dark in this hangar, so don't scare the big family. Then, this car was taken. Let's go back and talk about it. Let's quickly find him to get some car equipment.
The time of the concert was a little slower. Do you understand? I didn't expect it to be so smooth, and I came to the media to find my car before mentioning it. I found one on the elevated platform and said that it really couldn't stay overnight. Friends, after tossing and turning for a long time, finally loaded the car. Let's go home. The weather in Changsha is really not very suitable for me. Gone. The way to reuse the car service menu is here. Thank you, Lord Frank. That Packard in the 30s finally arrived home.
Many friends told me that this car is expensive, at most 20,000 or 30,000 yuan. But I think it's a miss to be able to spend 2 or 3 to buy a classic car from the 30s and 40s. Because the old king next door told me that if you repair it and live in it, you will definitely make a lot of money. Therefore, we will start repairing it next.
and you really have to go. Everyone look at the effect of spraying sand. After all, a professional is still a profession. As mentioned earlier, Lan Yang, the quality of this chassis is extraordinarily good. After spraying the sand, Lan Yang could also see that there was no problem at all. It is the rainy season in Wuhan, and we have to spray it with yellow sheet primer to prevent it from rusting again. Alright, friends, now I'm spraying my aunt. After we practiced the old teacher, we felt that when she turned off the phone, she was fine. Therefore, we will clean it all up, and it will be okay. Then I sprayed it with a new color system to restore it to its appearance. Yes, it is an extraordinary VERYVOOD. After all the boxes are put back, they are ready to spray the color. This time I calculated to make a double ice color, beige white and iron bone blue. The results are always very good looking. Chinese letter, Chinese letter. It is a light green color in blue, which is lighter than the duck egg white we are familiar with. It is like a flow of ice in the heart, and it is cool and enormous. This is also the main reason why I chose it. Let us see the results of the bubble period.
It's time to buy this Parker. Out this. More than 820,000 pure, thick electric keys have arrived.
As soon as he loaded this car, he was very spirited.
This electroplating wire was sent to Fujian's friends to help make it. In your eyes, this electroplating pellet is shining. Hey, that's so good.
Friends, I don't want to wait for a moment. Let's try it first. An engine. See if it can work. See if it can start.
First, turn on the electricity. Okay. This is one of them. One point is revealed. Let's do it again.
Give me a sexual character. This is just a dozen. This should be something that can be found, not found.
After tossing for half a day, I finally found the problem. This relied on the duck bag. It was useless. God bless. Fortunately, I have this brand new stock accessory.
After more than a month of unremitting efforts, I finally started this 40-year-old habit. The feeling of driving it is really amazing, like Shudongshua. If you drive a car like this in the 40s of the past, how handsome it must be. Try it. Try it. Woo! Oh, yeah! Let's take the next step and fix all the details for it. What kind of interior? There is also a chassis that needs to be reinforced, and the building parts are also installed.
Now I am calculating to do a wood grain water transfer repair for the interior of the car. When repairing an old car, the most important thing is to repair it as if it were old. After thinking about it, it is still a kind of wood grain, which is more in line with the tone of this old car. This water transfer had to be sprayed with a layer of gasoline on top. Do any friends know why this is the case? In fact, this force was to remove oil pollution, and the transportation is also to strengthen the water shortly, and it can also make it clearer. This is a brightness after rinsing the grease, and then we will climb up to the bright oil, and the brightness will go one step further to a lower color.
Friends, this money is really not spent in vain. The effect is really bright.
Forward. So it took me more than 2 months to build it to its current state. This 40-year-old Packard has been repaired for more than 2 months. This car has a lot of history, so I want to leave this car in the Cadillac Park in Wuhan and build a home for the classic car here.
Thank you all.
Your support